In the market for a 2006 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.